Well, heidi ho, everybody. Skip here, and back from an extended summer vacation. Apparently, is Earl and his new buddy there, JD. I don't know what they've been up to, but I haven't had any calls from the sheriff's department or anything, so all's been good. Guess I shouldn't, but I guess I'm going to jump in on the Halloween group build. I did it last year. It was a lot of fun. With my track record of group builds and buddy builds and, not getting them done, I probably should not be doing this, but it's a lot of fun. It's one of the funnest ones of the year. And Earl's kind of pushed me into it. It's one of Earl's favorites. And JD wants to get involved. So we're going to do it. So for Halloween, we got to do something Halloween-y. And I don't know, y'all ever see the movie 13 Ghosts? There was a 1960 version, which was the original one. That was always my favorite as a kid. One of my favorite scary movies. And then there was a remake in 2001. It's a good movie, even though it's a remake, but it is a good movie. It's got some pretty decent actors in it. Based on the same basic story. They change it up a little bit, but they're both great movies. If you get a chance, if you've never seen them, you should watch them. But anyway, I'm leading you down the wrong path. This ain't what that's about. No, instead of 13 ghosts, we're going to do 4 little monsters. And I have these I dug out of my stash. They're Wierd-Ohs. I've got Zopp, a repulsive model kit, and Voop, another repulsive model kit, and Blurp, also repulsive as the other two, and maybe the most repulsive, I don't know, they're all pretty repulsive. We have Glob, all Wierd-Ohs, little bag kits. I can't even remember how I came across these. It was probably on eBay or something. I probably came across them by accident. Said, hey, those are Wierd-Ohs I don't have. Because around here we got a lot of Wierd-Ohs. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do these 4 little monsters. And that's going to be my Halloween group build. So, I guess we need to go get these washed up and get started on them. And I don't know how much help Earl is going to be. Like most builds, he always disappears when it's time to work. And but anyway, there we go. 4 little monsters for the Halloween group build. So again, we will get busy. Thanks for dropping by. Hope you come back, see how those monsters are doing, and hopefully Earl and JD will be around again for a little bit. And they're done out gallivanting for a while. I think they're out of money. That's why they're home. Anyway, till the next video. We'll catch you later.